this juice is great. Yeah, and the toast is perfect. Can we go play outside after? Yes, let's ask.
Mind if I sit here?
Of course, it's nice to have company.
I hope more friends come. Yoo-hoo! Let's race to the playground.
You're on. Last one there's a slowpoke.
I bet I win.
We'll see.
Hey, this is so much fun.
Yeah, hold on tight.
Yay again.
Let's try the swings!
Yeah, this will be fun.
Whee! Higher!
Me too.
Let's sync up!
Ready. Ooh, ice cream. Yes, come and get it. Yay, coming. Hooray. Wow, so many yummy flavors.
I'm thinking strawberry.
Chocolate looks so good.
One chocolate coming up.
Great choice!
Hey. Roro, I picked this for you. Oh, wow, for me. Thank you. It smells wonderful. You're welcome.
Ta-da! Yay, my turn.
Hee, great pose.
Thanks, you look so cute. The wind is so strong.
Look, the clouds are getting darker.
Oh no, it's starting to rain.
Oh no, I'm soaked.
Me too, this rain is awful. Look, a shelter.
Yes, let's go.
Look at the rain.
1, 2, 3
A
drops.
circle in the puddle. Look, a little bird.
It looks hurt.
Let's help it. Chirp.
Don't worry, little one. I've got you now.
I'll find a leaf.
Perfect, Roro.
Ooh.
Thank you.
Three, two, one, jump! Ooh.
Oh my goodness, look at you two.
We were playing, Mom. Sorry, Mom.
Oh my goodness, look at you two.
We were playing, Mom. Sorry, Mom.
What is all this mess?
We're painting, Mom.
Oh, you two.
Whoa, look at those shadows.
Watch this spooky face.
Now tell a ghost story.
Okay, once there was a bat in the woods.
And a bunny shadow. Boo, gotcha. Hee hee.
Me too, but we were talking.
Right, I was saying about the picnic.
Yeah, the picnic sounds nice.
Whoa, the flashlight. You okay?
Good morning. Everything looks delicious.
It really does, especially these pancakes. Thank you for the toast. That was fun yesterday at the park.
It was. We should go again.
How about a picnic today?
Perfect idea.
Okay, let's see the map.
Right. We start at the park.
Then the pond?
Yes, and then to the hill.
Okay, that looks safe.
I'll trace the path. All set!
Let's go!
Okay, binoculars are in.
Great! Here are the snacks.
Perfect. Now, the checklist.
Check it off. Let's zip up.
Feels good. All set? Ready. Let's go.
Marching forward on our way with our sticks, hip hooray!
Look, Bear, the pretty flowers.
And the sun is shining bright. Happy March, what a day! We're on our way!
Let's get closer to the pond.
Okay, it's so pretty.
Look at the ducks.
They're adorable.
Time for the binoculars.
Wow, so clear. Nature is amazing.
Time for a snack. Here you go, little friends.
Quack, quack. They love it. Look, the ducklings are parading.
Yes, let's count them quietly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect for my sketch. Let's find the best stones.
Okay, I'll look over here.
This red one is perfect.
And this yellow one is great.
Let's find the best stones.
Okay, I'll look over here.
This red one is perfect.
And this yellow one is great.
All right, find a good flat one.
Got it.
Now, sidearm throw. 1, 2, 3. Nice.
Yay.
Try again.
Aw,
You'll get it.
they're floating. Look, the wind is catching them. Yay, let's follow them. Right behind you. Let's find a shady spot to rest. Look up at the clouds. See the bunny shape? Yeah, and a fish too.
Let's lay out our feast.
Yay, I'm so hungry.
This is great.
The best picnic ever. Look, a dragonfly and a butterfly.
Wow, they're dancing.
So beautiful.
Let's clap for them.
Yay, that was magical. The sun is setting.
Yes, we should head back.
I'll pack our things.
Good idea. Let's not forget anything.
All set. Ready to go?
Yes, let's take one last look. What a lovely day for a walk.
It is. I'm getting a little sleepy though.
Me too. It's been a perfect day. We're home.
Welcome back. Look what we found. We saw deer and birds.
Here are the pretty stones. Welcome, friends. Let's pass the dishes and eat together.
This stew smells wonderful. Thank you.
You're welcome. Please share a story while we eat. I saw a beautiful butterfly today.
Wow, I saw one too.
Look, our drawings are like treasures.
Yes, let's pick our favorites.
This frog reminds me of summer.
And I love these ducks.
Into our treasure box.
Let's get the crayons and draw our favorite memories.
Great idea. I'll get them. Here's mine. It's us by the lake.
And mine is our picnic. So many good times.
Thank you for this day. And please bless our friends. Amin.
Wait for quiet. Whisper across the room. Share your thoughts.
Promise secrets. Wow, look at that mountain. Yeah, let's go. These candy rocks are yummy. This chocolate river is so fun. Best day ever.
Look, a rainbow. Wow, let's go. Over the rainbow.
Look, dream creature.
Hi, friends.
Yay, adventure.
I dreamed of a rainbow. I dreamed of a big fish.
Wow, let's go play. Yeah, adventure time.
Time for stretches. Arms up high.
Okay, I'm ready.
Now touch your toes. Feel the stretch. Great. Jumping jacks next. Now high knees. Go. Great job. High five.
Wow, so energized. Time to fill our cans. Okay, let's make the flowers happy. Now to water them. And clear away the dead parts. And the weeds too. Wow, look, our garden is thriving.
Bear, look, our tomatoes are ripe.
Wow, Rabbit, they look so red. What's 2, 3, 4? Perfect. Bugs, shoo them away. We did it.
Our garden is great.
Now for the soap. Okay, let's get soapy. Scrub it up, dove. All clean.
All right, let's get this table set.
I'll fold the napkins.
Perfect. And I'll pour the juice. Okay, everyone, come and get it. All right, let's get started.
I'll spread the butter. I'll add the lettuce.
Perfect. Now for the final touch.
Yay, we did it.
Okay, let's pack the grapes.
And the sandwich is in.
Now the apple
Don't forget the cookies.
and the juice box. All set. Time for the backpack. Ready for an adventure.